up guys, it's Mia, and in the clear stadium bag video I used a black zipper with black lining fabric, so it may have been hard to see what I was doing. In this video I'm making a small clear vinyl pouch with the same technique but with lighter fabric so you can see how to add the zipper. So let's get right into it. So if you would like to see more of the fabric on the end of the zipper, all you have to do is just come towards the center of the zipper with those two little tabs inward, maybe about 1.5 inches to 2 inches. And when the product is done, you'll be able to see more of whatever color fabric you have at the end of the zipper. I did about 1 inch, so you really couldn't see much of the blue at the end of the finished product. But if you come inward with those little tabs, a little bit more, about 1.5 inches, you will be able to see more of your colored fabric on the edges of the zipper when the product is done. And if you notice, I have some more of the zipper sticking out on one end. That's because the tabs, I made sure to put them below the part where we stitch the end of the zipper together. And it's where the actual zipper teeth start on that end. So you do want to come in a little bit more from where the zipper teeth start, maybe about 1 inch, a little bit further than what I did on this video, just so that way at the end you can see a little bit more of the little fabric on the ends of the zipper. So here I was trying something. I wanted to see if I could bring the other end of the vinyl and put it in the other side between the two layers and not have to cut the vinyl and just leave it as one piece. But after looking at it, I still had to cut the vinyl because there was no way I was going to be able to sew across the edge of the material on both ends without separating the vinyl. But I had someone ask, if I could just leave the vinyl as one whole piece, but after looking at it, I'm not sure if that's a possibility. But if you guys know of a way to do it, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to try it that way as well. So what I decided was I was just going to go ahead and cut the bottom of the vinyl into separate pieces so that way I would be able to sew the material that it's attached to. And so to skip the experimenting like I did, you can just take your 7x10 piece of vinyl and just cut it in half from the beginning if you like. But cutting the vinyl was just an easy solution to not being able to sew across the material with one piece of vinyl. Yep, so that's it, guys. So I hope this helped clear up how to add the zipper, since I did use dark fabric and a black zipper in the clear stadium bag video. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.